Good morning, people. Welcome back to your boo's channel. Looking cute or whatever. Today I'm showing lots of skin because your girl is feeling herself. Today is gonna be an overall vlog, but I am going to do my hair today. Well, I'm supposed to do my hair today, so yeah, that's why I have on a bonnet, because under this shawl is not it. So yeah, right now we're just getting ready to leave so that I can go to get my hair. I have to go get the braids. I just got my braids, guys, but we gotta get something to eat, so I'm going to stop out by Burger King there real quick to get something to eat, some breakfast. But it's going for 11 o'clock, so it might not have breakfast still.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in a song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in a song, alright. Every time.
Yeah.
Wait.
No.
No.
But who holding our sandwich? But are you holding them hostage? Go collect your sandwiches.
Thank you. Okay. Ready.
Yes, you know how to show my mother this same thing because the truck that I want to do is the same color like pink and green. I find the green wall is perfect. The green wall is perfect.
It's still like pop with a boom, but that little pop with boom.
And especially the same leaf thing where you're talking about, that's a perfect combination. The same brown leaf thing where you just show me.
Yeah, that one I wanted to pop on one.
And I ain't smoking no shine. I'm in the DP lady. Keep peace. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I make me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them whole precision. Give us my only decision. Ain't gonna run that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right out there.
So guys, for those who don't know, it's my cousin doing my hair. She's the only one that has leave like braid my hair because I'm very funny with my edges and my hair in general. So the girl's gonna set me up, and I'm gonna look noticed.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. What you trusted, I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in the song, alright. really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
Well, my bad bitch.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
a
volume,
bitch,
high
but now
volume,
a bitch,
high
okay.
volume.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him.
Voila, your girl here is done, giving very much black girl energy. She did some big plaits and then I curl the ends like so. Okay, it's giving very mindful, very demure. Anyways guys, bye.